Brimming with outstanding innovation, Cardano was late to walk into the cryptocurrency market and spread its wings of dominance. Despite its lateness, the crypto asset is embedded with an incredible projected growth, which has instigated its early hype compared to many other cryptocurrencies. Cardano potential is still extremely high and will get even higher in the coming years. However, this appears to be an encouraging prediction for investors who currently see the investment as their lifeline. But what if things go south and Cardano ADA is forced to fade into thin air? So many negative things have happened this year. Terra Luna collapsed completely, the DeFi platform Celsius went bankrupt, and Coinbase laid off thousands of employees. And of course, we can't forget the most recent FTX collapse. It is no surprise that investors are worried about whether the good times will ever come back again, hence a dire need for a bull run. The most recent bull market began with the initial coin offering frenzy of 2017, which saw a large number of altcoins arrive on the market. Some of these have gained popularity and generated huge returns for early investors, while many more have collapsed completely or turned out to be outright scams. This begs the question, is there still hope for Cardano? Believing in the fact that buying a hot coin on social media does not imply an investor will be a millionaire overnight. BitBoy Crypto has often emphasized salient research before sinking money into cryptocurrencies. Ben Armstrong, popularly known as BitBoy Crypto, is widely known for his encouraging YouTube content in the crypto space. His YouTube space and website proffer tips, news, and accurate updates on the crypto sector. By conducting so many interviews with crypto experts, he has been able to access their various perspectives about cryptocurrencies, especially coins like Cardano ADA. Raoul Pal, the founder of Real Vision and global macro investor, has openly declared his confidence in Cardano. In an interview with BitBoy Crypto, the founder of Real Vision and a global macro investor, Raoul Pal, shared with him that he found ADA to be interesting and exuding potential growth opportunities by market cap. In a bullish environment, he forecasted that Cardano and other altcoins will massively outperform Ethereum, claiming that the network is quite captivating and the community behind it is highly capable. It is an open secret that the Cardano network is striving to survive its current challenges and limitations. If it continues to gain adoption, it will come out explosive and transform the entire crypto industry. Although it's vastly different, it is most closely similar to Ethereum with its emphasis on smart contracts. However, it is proven to offer many advanced features over other blockchains. Cardano has positioned itself as an alternative to Ethereum since both have similar goals of building a connected and decentralized system. Their strategies of approach makes them distinct though. Since Cardano considers itself to be an updated version of Ethereum, it's earned the reputation of a third-generation platform. The network is designed to be developed in eras, named after notable figures. Volatility is the final era for Cardano development, intended to bring voting and treasury management of the blockchain through previously introduced smart contract functionality and system improvements. The plan behind Cardano's development are quite ambitious. Its teams of developers sees it as eventually fulfilling its dream of becoming fully decentralized when voting and treasury management of the blockchain are added to its capabilities in the near future. Cryptocurrencies can either have a fixed or limited supply, as there will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin. In the same way, Cardano has a maximum supply of 45 million ADA. Of course, the supply does not guarantee that the price will go up. But if Cardano takes off in popularity, then the limited supply could help increase demand. Just like every other cryptocurrency, Cardano is notorious for its peculiar risk. No one is sure if it will succeed in its goals or even if it will be worth anything in the future. Still, it is easy to see why Cardano has got every potential investor excited. Everyone is deeply interested in vouching for a network with astonishing qualities. Nonetheless, the crypto sector has survived severe drawbacks, doubts, and regrets from investors. It's not a surprise because there will always be a time when even the biggest crypto proponents will start to question whether they should depend on crypto or not. Crypto investors might even begin to look at their portfolios, and thoughts of selling are the first alternatives that settles in their mind. Looking at the stock market, there are over 100 years of history to compare to, and with this, discoveries about previous market crashes and similarities from the past relate to the current situation are made. This can go a long way in providing insight into what might happen in the future. Generally, crypto does not have such a long track record. Bitcoin was invested in 2009, and it was until 2017 that it started to garner attention in the mainstream media, and Cardano ADA, by that metric, is still relatively new. Over the years, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have gone through multiple booms and bust cycles. Bitcoin has ridden a wave of popularity accompanied by other coins such as Ethereum and Cardano. Despite all odds, the Cardano network has managed to stay afloat and maintain its stance. The most recent FTX crash could have hit it hard and forced it to slip into oblivion, but luckily for the coin, a catastrophe for the crypto market turned out to be an immense advantage for Cardano. A month ago, one of the leading crypto exchanges, FTX, was seriously considering listing ADA on the spot market, but statements from the exchange's head, Sam Bankman-Fried, raised several conflicting responses. The threat that a listing of ADA on FTX could pose to Cardano as well explained by BitBoy Crypto, and he engaged in a discussion with the Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson. According to the YouTube influencer, Cardano enthusiasts should be worried that with the listing of the spot pair, FTX could make a forced liquidation of all ADA positions and open with an already banked crypto broker, Voyager. Voyager's asset sale deal was approved in favor of FTX. In contrast, Hoskinson believed in his understanding, which supports the fact that if FTX includes ADA in its quotation list, then ADA accounts on Voyager should not be liquidated. Although the Cardano founder did not seem to have much confidence when he stated that he would be furious if such a thing were to happen. The outcome of FTX's acquisition of Voyager was scheduled to be known at the end of November. ADA remained the only top cryptocurrency not listed on the exchange, and this was due to its technical peculiarities. And at the same time, the fears of some Cardano investors were quite understood, given the rumors surrounding FTX and the fact that the ADA price was already nailed to the floor. Then, the early days of November proved that the fears were potential warning signs given the FTX crash. The collapse resulted in a sharp market volatility, and a report indicated that the sector wiped out over $100 billion in 24 hours, with assets like Bitcoin correcting below $20,000. In this line, Hoskinson suggested if the Binance acquisition of FTX goes through, the market might balance again. He also pointed out that the crash was negative for the crypto market, noting that investors and regulators will not isolate the incident for FTX alone, but for the entire digital asset space. While focusing on the underlying technology and projects in development, he expressed optimism that the market would likely recover. Quote, "Situations like this, as I have mentioned, do tend to invite litigation. They tend to invite regulation, and they tend to invite enormous scrutiny. The purchase of FTX by Binance is no silver bullet, but there are still many things that have to happen in order for this to be completely clear for the market." End quote. At the end of the day, the FTX collapse could be the last crisis, or an incident that would birth another. No one is quite sure. Investors are still open to the possibility that Cardano ADA will continue to wax stronger and spurn a positive turnaround, and it can only get better. Recently, BitBoy Crypto predicted that Cardano would end up surpassing Ethereum by market cap. This prediction caused a stir on Twitter, with users raising diverse opinions. From this prediction, it is safe to say that there are so many experts cheering for Cardano's success. Of course, the network's goal is not to just flip coins, but to create a dominant niche for itself in the crypto world. Initially known as Japanese Ethereum, Cardano has always reflected the possibility of skyrocketing in price and value. Although its market cap looks unimpressive compared to Ethereum's currently, its bullish ride is just about to begin. Cardano is an ambitious project, and there are tons of potential uses for its technology across a variety of industries. It might not fade into thin air, but the ADA coin price is bound to increase to the extent that no one will be able to buy it again. But of course, what are your thoughts on this? Let us have in the comments section below. We'll see you in the next video, but before then, check out our other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to their dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on those subscribe and notification buttons.